Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from JewelScent and a ring reveal. This is their monthly subscription called Jewels of America. And this is the January 2020 box. So this month, the state is New York. You always get a really nice colorful postcard. The scent is Irish Cream Cheesecake. I can't wait to smell that. And then it talks a little bit about the scent, why they picked it, stuff like that. Then you also get your candle that has your ring inside, might add. So it is a massive candle, 3-wick. Yeah, it smells really good. Can't wait to burn it and get the true scent of it. Very cool. But this is 18 ounces, so it's pretty big. And then you always get a mystery little product on the side. And this month they gave us a little individual one in a tin. That's pretty cool. There's no ring in this one. It's just an essential product. And then, did they forget my sticker? Oh no. Yeah, it's not tucked in the box, I don't think. Oh, that's my favorite part, and it's not in here. I don't know if it was a mistake on all the boxes. Just making sure it's like not stuck to something. Yeah, I don't get my little sticker. So I will email them, but I'll go ahead and do the little ring reveal and show you what's inside. Okay, so I had this on the burner, and of course I also had it lit. And the ring is right here, ready to come out. I also emailed them, but it was after hours, so I haven't heard back yet. But I think this happened before, actually, where they forgot to put the sticker in everyone's box, so they just added it the next month. So I'm sure that's not going to be an issue getting that replaced. That's the fun of it. You get a little sticker, and you get to complete your little map. Oh, that's cute. So I didn't get a... I'm not sure if this is a duplicate though, but at least it's not a bulky ring, because I've been getting a lot of bulky ones lately. PP36. I always forget the codes, so I always double check them, and I'm glad I did, because last month they didn't give me one that was valued at $40, which is supposed to be the minimum for these candles in the subscription, so I can get it out. And the candle smelled pretty good. It definitely smelled sweet. Kind of had like a chocolatey scent to it. So it looks like, is it a navy stone or is that black? I think it's black. I like black stones, and I don't think I've ever got one from JewelScent, so let me go double check this code and I'll be back to show you a better view of the ring. So yep, that is the $40 code. It's very pretty. Nice and sparkly, and like I said, I love black stones, so that's really cool. So that's why I got this month. They also just released some stuff for Valentine's Day, and they have some new soaps out. I believe I ordered some, but I'd have to double check. But yeah, I will be doing some more ring reveals. I've only been doing like their monthly subscription for a while, but I'm going to order some of the new products. So if you guys are interested, stay tuned, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye guys.